Okay, on today's episode, we're gonna do how to install your Polaris plow onto your Ranger. This plow is the Easy Connect plow mount. So push it there. It has these little like ears. I just flip them here because once your metal bar here from the bumper mount hits this, it's gonna push it like that, flip around and lock in place. It's gonna hold it in, take your pin, put your pin inside and lock it. And that's it. That's how the plow mount holds onto the Ranger. All right. See, that's it. Now I just push up on this. It flings around like that. Take your pin, put it in there, lock it in place. That's it. One side done. Other side, same thing. Flip it around. Put the pin in. That's that. Take your winch. Put in free spool. Back in here. Take your wireless controller. We have the 6,000 pound Polaris winch straight from a dealer. So it's a 2-speed. I always put it, when I'm plowing my driveway, I put it in first gear only. Second gear is for rope recovery. So in, lifts it up. That's it.
Are you able to change the angle on it, or is it only straight?
You can change the angle here on the plow from left to right.
Okay.
I think you could change it on the mount, on the assembly here. I think, but I just put it straight like that.
So only snow you can push with this, or like concrete and like other stuff?
You can push mud, push, like do little things. It's not strong enough. It's because the spring system on the rear, the kickback system, it's gonna stop you. It's not a bulldozer. You can use it for those applications, but that's it. All right, guys, that's it. Little easy 3-step process to installing your snowplow on your 2019 Polaris Ranger XP1000. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe, comment, like our channel, our videos. Stay tuned. Every Saturday we have new uploads. So subscribe. Thank you guys again.